Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to show you how to use the payroll report. The purpose of this report is to show you payments per practitioner made during the date range selected. You need a way to match payments to practitioners in the right date range to cut their paychecks correctly. There needs to be a way in the system to track how much money each practitioner brought in based on the creation date of the payment or allocation for payroll purposes. The payroll report matches payments to practitioners based on the creation date of the payment. This report breaks things down in a specific date range. To open this report, click on Reports, then Practice, and then Payroll Report. Notice the two date range fields at the top of the page and the blue search button. You can enter a date range in these fields and click on the search button to run this report. Please note, this report updates overnight, so payments that you posted during the day will not show up until the following day. Take a look at the column headings at the top of the page to see what this report shows you. The column headings display relevant information for each claim. The first two columns show the patient's identifying number in our system and the patient's name. The next few columns show the CPT code that is on the claim, the service date on the claim, the practitioner's ID in our system, the name of the rendering practitioner, and the transaction code type. The amount column shows the amount of money allocated or paid to a CPT. The date created column shows the date that the payment was created or allocated. These two columns show the identifying number on the check and the specific kind of payment rendered, such as check, allocation, reallocation, etc. Please note, if a patient payment is made directly on a claim, such as a 199, then that payment will show on this report. If a payment is made on the account level, it will only show on this report when it has been allocated to a CPT. Any payment made on the account level will show up as a 197 in this report once it has been allocated to a CPT. You can filter the report by practitioner by typing in their first or last name in the rendering physicians column. The report will then only display the data for that practitioner. You can then take a look at the total column on the bottom right-hand side of the page to see what they brought in for the date range selected. There is a drop-down to the right-hand side of the page. You can use this drop-down to export the data in the report to a spreadsheet program or a PDF file. Underneath where you see the options to export the program as a PDF or CSV file, you can see a list of the columns' names. If you click on the check marks next to these columns, that column will be removed from the list, and an X will appear next to its name. To add the column back to the report, click on the X and it will appear in the report again. A check mark will be displayed next to it once again. You may want to do that if you are going to export this report to a spreadsheet or PDF, and you don't feel some data is that important to you. If you choose to remove a certain column from this report and you don't want that column to be included when you export it, then click on Export Visible Data as CSV or Export Visible Data as PDF. For example, imagine that you do not want the patient name column to be included in this report when you export it to a CSV file. Click on Patient Name in the drop-down, and you'll notice it will be removed from the report. Then click on Export Visible Data as CSV. Save the file. The report will download to your hard drive, and you can open it in the spreadsheet program of your choice. When you do, the patient name will not be in the report. Well, that's all there is to this video. We hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Goodbye for now, and have a great day.